Hello everybody and welcome to Technology. This is your host Salman, and today I'm going to show you how to take care of your leather seats in your car. Now this is a 2013 Honda CR-V of mine that has close to 130,000 miles on it, and you can see the leather seats are really nice and clean and they're still intact. The leather is still intact, and I'm going to show you how to still keep it intact for the years to come, for many more miles. Because if you don't take care of these leather seats, they are going to tear, and then you may not be able to repair it, and even if you could repair it, it'll be expensive, or you might have to change the whole seat if you want the car to be looking as good as new again. So as you can see in my car, in the back seat as well, the leather is still very much intact. I mean, it's pretty intact and pretty good, in pretty good shape. So I am going to tell you how I take care of my leather seats and make sure that they last for a long time. Not forever, because nothing lasts forever, but so basically all you're going to need to do is you're going to need a microfiber cloth, you're going to need some liquid, and you can put some dishwashing soap into it, and what I like to do is I like to mix some dishwashing soap and some laundry detergent, and then dilute it with water. And then obviously I dip my microfiber cloth inside, I squeeze it to get all the excess water out, and then I like to wipe my seats first nice and clean, because we want to get rid of all that dust and grime or anything in there, whatever is in the seat. You can even vacuum the seats if you have a lot of dust in them, but I don't, so I'm not going to vacuum it. But as you can see, I'm going to nicely wipe it. Just make sure it's nice and clean, you don't have any stains or anything like that. And you can go over all the seats, just wait for it to dry. Once you clean it, just gonna show you a little bit of a demonstration here. And then I'll show you what I do in the next step once I finish cleaning the seat. Let me just pause this video and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you're done doing that, I came on the driver's seat because the seat got dry now. So once you're done doing that, what I like to do is I take some shop towel. Now you can take a pad or whatever you have, just something we need to apply the leather treatment. What I like to do is I like to fold the shop towel into small square like this, as you can see, and I am doing it with one hand, so please excuse me. And what I like to do is I've been using this product for years. I've done this on my sister's car as well, which is a Nissan Altima, which has leather seats, and the seats still last very long. I like to shake it a little. And then this is leather conditioner by Chemical Guys. It's a very good product, and I would recommend you get this if you want to take care of your leather seats. There might be some other products out there as well, but this is what I use and I've been using for a long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to squirt some of this onto the towel. Oops, a lot of it came out, so no problem. We're going to use all of it for the seats. We're just going to apply some here. You can apply it on the seat, and then just rub it with the cloth, but I usually don't get so much excess. It just came out by mistake because I was using one hand, but you get the idea. So I'm just going to apply it here just to spread it out, because obviously just to spread it out. Just going to take some, and then basically all you're going to need to do is just apply it everywhere on the seat, and that's it. And just leave it like that for some time before sitting on it. So that should basically condition the seat, and it's going to make sure that your seat is going to last for a very long time, and you're basically taking care of the leather, preventing it from getting cracked and all, because obviously, and then like this, if you're going to rub it all over the seat, and it's also going to get shiny, and it's also going to condition the leather. Now obviously this is not 100% genuine leather, we all know that, but still, as long as the seats don't tear, we should be good. So that is going to take care of the seats. It's going to make sure that the seats last a very long time, and it's also going to provide a nice shine to the seats once you're done with it. You may be able to already witness that the seat is shining, and there's a nice little gloss to the seat. It also gives you a nice smell, so in case you're selling your vehicle or you're renting it out to someone, or it's a good thing to do. And that's about it. This is how you take care of your leather seats. If you enjoyed this video and if this video helped you out, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do hit that like button so more people can see this. And if you have any questions or comments, do leave them in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.